I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini with Langchain. First, you'll need to install the necessary Python libraries for both Gemini and Langchain. Then, obtain your Google API key and configure it securely in your environment. This initial setup is crucial for seamless integration, ensuring your development environment is ready to connect with Gemini's powerful capabilities through Langchain. Once your environment is set up, integrating Gemini as a language model in Langchain is straightforward. You'll import the Gemini model and initialize it using your API key. Remember to configure parameters like temperature, which influences creativity, and the maximum number of tokens for output. This allows you to leverage Gemini's generation capabilities directly within your Langchain applications. Langchain truly shines when building advanced applications with Gemini. You can construct complex chains for multi-step processes, allowing Gemini to perform sequential tasks. Implement agents that use Gemini for intelligent decision-making, adapting to user input. Additionally, integrate memory components to maintain conversational context, and combine Gemini with retrieval-augmented generation for more informed and accurate responses. To get the most out of Gemini with Langchain, focus on best practices. Optimize your prompt engineering to elicit the best responses and improve efficiency. Carefully manage your API usage and costs to avoid unexpected expenses. Implement robust error handling and rate limit management for stable applications. Finally, explore the various Gemini models available to find the best fit for your specific project needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.